Hey self-tapers, Barry here, SelfTapeHero. Today I'm going to walk you through a typical workflow using SelfTapeHero in your iPhone. This workflow is the same for iPad and Mac. So let's get started. First thing you'll see is a SelfTapeHero quick guide. Just a reminder to shoot and prepare your clips properly. That way you'll get the best tape possible from the app. The optional title card. Here you can build a title card that will be added to the start of your self-tape. If you make a mistake, just tap the X to clear the text. Now we'll start on Slate assembly. Tap the Select Slate button. This is where we combine the full body slate with the close-up slate. Select full body slate. Select close-up slate. The photos library will open again. Now you'll see both of your slates have loaded. Moving on to slate position. In this example, casting would like the slate at the end of the tape. So let's go ahead and select Slate at End. We get confirmation that the slate is loaded and the position is set to Slate at End. Moving on now to Scene Selection. Select Scene 1. The photo library opens. Pick your first scene. Then select Scene 2. And finally, select Scene 3, repeating the process. Now we can see the slate and scenes are loaded and confirmed as ready. Moving on to exporting. For this example, casting wants a combined self-tape. So let's go ahead and select Export Combined. Then once it's selected, the Rename Export File pop-up will open. Here's where I can rename the file, based on the instructions from casting. Now that I've renamed it, I'll tap Export. An orange spinner will appear on the Export button. This just means export in progress. Export times will vary depending on the length and the size of your file. The Self-Tape Export Complete pop-up appears to confirm the file is now in the Photos library. Go ahead and exit the app. Find your completed self-tape in Photos and open it for review. Make sure everything was applied correctly. Double-check those casting instructions for the slate position and file name before you submit. And that's it. A full walkthrough from start to finish using SelfTapeHero in your iPhone. SelfTapeHero. Happy self-taping.